Hello everyone, welcome to Yellowgreys. In this video, I am going to talk about replace function. This function replaces a portion of text with a new piece of text. The only thing is you need to specify where the replacement should start, how many characters to remove, and what the new replacement text should be. Let's understand the replace function with the help of example. Original text, position, number of characters to replace, new character, and then modified text. Let's understand this replace function with the help of different examples. I'll take students' enrollment number as an example, like ABC is the name of the school, followed by the year of joining, and followed by their serial number, and followed by their batch number. So here, instead of year of joining, I want to mention it as slash. Like I don't want to mention the year because there are clumsy of numbers. From the fourth position, I want to change it. So I will type 4 and the number of characters to be replaced. Like 2021 is the year. So I have to replace 4 characters. The new character as slash. To get the modified text, type equal to replace, open the bracket, select the cell references of the original text, followed by position, followed by number of characters, followed by new characters, and close the bracket and press enter. If we observe the result, the original text is modified as ABC slash 2501. Here, the year 2021 is replaced as slash. Now, it's the time to learn about how to replace with the help of wild characters. In this example, if we note one thing, the length of the text are different. Suppose I want to replace a text before the hyphen and after the hyphen. Is it possible to do? Let's try with the help of wild characters. To observe the difference between the original text and the result, I will copy the original text and paste in the other column. Select the text, press Ctrl H, a dialog box of find and replace appears. Here, I want to find the character which is before the hyphen and after the hyphen. That is, I don't know what is the text. So I'll keep question mark, then after the hyphen, and I will replace with asterisk, hyphen, asterisk. Then I'll click replace all. See, if we observe the modified text, even though the length of the text is different, the particular character before the hyphen and after the hyphen has been changed for all the text without any difficulties. Now, let's understand how to remove the line breaks with the help of replace function. Select the cells which you want to replace, press Ctrl H, find and replace dialog box appears. In find what cell, type Ctrl J which represents line breaks and replace with a single space. Then I will click replace all. See, all the line breaks has been removed. I hope you have understand the replace function. Thank you.